Mwalimu monene gusomorokia omonene bwesukuru ya Liokindo asirita nere Mr. Gerard Orina nigo bono esokiri asenchira ya bene na kubura buna nigo arachie korige kirogo kyo bunge ase bunge ya Burabu hime county ya Nyamira kagusanga na bariki bamwana maya elitko ria rero nigo anyarire kubura buna nigo amagendera tarabaka wikirani wa sitinsemo satebire muchando noraro ase sector ya magendero nabo igo bokorera itibura ikirana igentatebire buna nachiye gotema okonya abamenyi korotinsemo echo
27 imboyo mobo bwo kubolie kerugo kya Burabu constituents na inde igo eminute bakanti go bwalimu ngende egasi ya siasa ekingo tigera obwalimu ngende egasi ya siasa nesengencho challenges cy'abantu baito bagusi kigenderete komenteka maybe because of maybe poor choice of leaders. International government, our people from this region, Wusi region, they are not well represented. Development is one thing, especially in Nyamira County, both constituencies, there is no any road project, tarmac road project that is going on at the moment. Lakini goko enda chinsemo chinde okonyora chipara chikorosigo. So the road network in our in Burabu and also in other constituencies in Nyamira, they are wanting ntuanya serikali ya so nturara paranya. So our leaders need to do more, and I'm coming to fill that position to ensure that we lobby the government so that we link the road network for our people. Ni Burabu chipara no chicho chibwateme chando, our schools chibwateme chando, performance ya ichirense ne rule gocha mbolie kerogekyo nteme ku enhance standards chi education. Abana baita bange mbaiko soma both in senior schools and universities bakore. The bursaries chikorwe wachire chikemono. And echinde njiriko there is no even fairness in giving out those bursaries.